of this show, we're emphasizing the dream team. We have the most comprehensive range of vehicles, all the way from our smallest vehicle, the OTTO 100 in the silver here, our mid-range, which we're very excited about, OTTO 600 kilogram payload in the smallest form factor of any supplier globally for what it can carry and the level of intelligence. Over in the corner, we have an OTTO 1500. That's our heaviest carrying capacity vehicle. And then the OTTO Lifter, which has the added advantage of not having to have really any of the infrastructure in order to get started with automation, because it can do direct pick from the floor, put that onto a stand, vice versa. Intentionally, we put them in the same workspace so they can show off how quickly and elegantly path planning and replanning can occur. Even though we have such a deep technology stack for our robots, there's no reason that we can't make that intuitive to understand what's going on inside of the mind of the robot. So we actually have 3 different lenses. The first one is a direct camera overlay of the LiDAR hits. The second is the actual Fleet Manager editor. The third lens, but that's the data analytics view. And we believe that the data analytics is just as important as the other layers of software that we provide. That gives a coverage of what we are emphasizing as the dream team, OTTO's position with, we believe, the best scope of small range to high range intelligent robots of anybody.